Good morning, class. All right, let's go over last night's homework. So it says Max and Santa are buying lots of fruits to make smoothies. Look at the arrays of fruits on the left, then fill in the blanks on the right to find out how much they will each buy. So, big thing to notice is we have columns and rows. So these are the rows that go from left to right, and these are the columns that go up and down. I think it's easier to focus on the columns when adding these than the rows. It's just simpler, it causes less confusion. So let's see how many rows we have. For oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 oranges, right? In one row. And we know they're all equal. So how many rows we have? We have 3 rows. So we have 6 plus 6 plus 6. And that equals, let's see if you guys know it, 18. So when you do the multiplication, 6 times 3 is basically saying the same thing as 6 plus 6 plus 6, because 6 times 3 just simply means 6 plus 6 plus 6. They're just shortening it and making it in a way that should be quicker for you to get. So we also know 6 times 3 would be what? 18. So for number 2, let's see, I just want this. We're going to double space it. For number 2, let's look at the rows. So remember, the rows go from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 in row 1, and obviously they're equal because the apples match up. So we have 2 rows of 6 plus what? We have 6 here because we know, and another 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now, what are we multiplying here? This is where it kind of can get tricky because they give us no hint. Similar to this, remember we had 6 oranges in this column or this row, and we had 3 rows. So we had the 6 times 3. So we know here we're not doing 6 times 6, but what are we doing? Let's see if you can get it. So we have 6 apples in one row, and we have 2 columns. So that's your hint where the columns come into play. 6 times 2 equals 12, because we have 6 apples and we have 2 rows of them. All right, kind of getting the hang of this. Now let's look at the pairs. So we have how many pairs in row? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. So we have 5 pairs. And we have 3, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, or 3 columns. So we know for addition we're going to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 because you have 5 pairs in 3 rows. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is, let's see, 15. Now if you multiply, remember you're not doing 5 times 5. You're doing 5 rows, because you have 5 rows, times 3 columns. That's the big thing to understand. And 5 times 3 is 15, because it says the same thing as 5 plus 5 plus 5. So always look at, when you're multiplying, you're going to look at how many apples, oranges, bananas are in that row, and you're going to multiply it by how many columns you have. Number 4. We got blueberries. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries. In how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 rows of blueberries. So we know we're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 5 times, because it's 4 rows of blueberries and they're all in each row Each of the 5 rows has blueberries in it in the same amount, which is 5. Or not 4, I mean. My bad. Now for the multiplication, again, we're focusing on how many blueberries are in one row by how many columns we have. So to remind ourselves, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries in one row. And how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And 4 times 5 is, remember, the same thing as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 20. Oh, bananas. This is going to get a little trickier. All right. Let's go through bananas. So we got, see how many rows we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas in one row. We have 6. And how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 because we have 6 bananas in 4 rows. And 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, well, we know 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. And this one gives you a hint. So this gives us 4, which is the 4 columns. And we're multiplying it by the 6 rows, right? And 4 times 6 is the same thing as saying 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So our answer should be 24. Oh, and they also give it to us. All right, so that was worksheet 1. I will go through worksheet 2 now, but I figured it was easier to separate the 2 videos.